How to upload images in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, open a new or existing design where you want to add images. On the left hand panel, click on the Uploads button. This will open the Upload section where you can manage all your files. Click on the Upload Files button and browse your PC to select the images you want to add. Canva supports formats like PNG, JPG and SVG. You can select multiple images at once to upload. Once the images are uploaded, they will appear in the Uploads panel. Click on any image to add it to your design canvas. You can resize, move, rotate or crop the image using the toolbar at the top. You can also drag and drop images directly from your PC into Canva for a faster upload process. After adding images, you can layer them, adjust transparency, apply filters or combine them with other elements to enhance your design. Now you know how to upload images in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.